Hey, what's going on, team? Happy Friday. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. It's Ricky with TechBus Solutions, and in this video, I wanted to quickly just give you guys a quick little update on my overall day. I ended up losing a little bit over 1.1K today. I actually wanted you to be able to see the mistake that I made in real time. So what I'm gonna do is the Learn Plan Profit live trading session. I'm gonna plug it down below. It's free, you don't have to do anything. It's an unlisted video on YouTube, and it's gonna be the first link below. The reason that I wanna share this is I want you to be able to benefit from my loss. And if you guys can take some time to kind of see what I did wrong, natural gas was showing signs of an aggressive sell-off during pre-market hours. It began to show signs of an uptrend, and then it showed signs of it pulling back. Therefore, I took my initial position size on DGAS, which is the inverse ETN of UGAS. So what that means is when natural gas goes down, then DGAS goes up. So because the overall direction of natural gas was a descending pattern, but it pushed up very quickly, making it a little bit more overbought, it made sense that it would continue selling off just like it was selling off for the entire pre-market session. But again, like we know, patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always do. And I just did a poor job in executing a stop loss, to say the least. I managed my risk at about 1.2%, which isn't horrible. I wanted you guys to be able to benefit from my loss so you don't put yourself in that position. And again, that is going to be that first link down below. On top of that, the second link down below, what I wanted to share with you is what it's actually like when a trade does go according to plan. So I'm going to be sharing a live trading session with you where I made a little bit over $1,000 and showing you, where I bought, where I sold, and explaining my thought process in real time. It's Friday. I know that you guys want to enjoy the weekend and maybe don't want to continue to cover all this trading content. If you happen to have a couple extra minutes over the weekend, I think it might be some material that you might just want to review to have a better understanding of what to do and what not to do, to say the least. So altogether, just wanted to stop on in, wish you guys an early start to your weekend. Please be safe, have fun, make someone smile, and again, learn something new today that your future self will thank you for. If you guys are ready to join our Learn Plan Profit team and enjoy the live trading session that you're going to be able to see, I'm gonna drop a $40 off coupon down below. So if you're ready to join our Learn Plan Profit team to watch me trade live every single day, then we'd love to have you join our community. Huge shout out to Frank for ending his 5th consecutive green day in a row. It's amazing to have him as a part of the Learn Plan Profit team. And if you guys have any questions about his success, feel free to direct message him on Instagram. I appreciate you guys' time, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.